Hi guys, this is a very short video that I want to show you how to register your domain name. You know, once you have a company, the very first thing you need to do, of course, is to have a name that people can come and visit you. It's just like having the name of your company in a physical office. But online, we have what is called a domain name. There are two places that I've used to register domain names. I've used GoDaddy and I've used Namecheap. So it depends on you, whichever one you want to choose, you can use it. If you want to register with GoDaddy, just www.godaddy.com. So this is it. So you can simply register. You can register either with your Facebook or with your Google, or use your email to register. But this, I'm not going to register with GoDaddy. This video is all about how to register with Namecheap. Most of my websites I have it on Namecheap. Namecheap.com. As I said, it depends on you. You can use whichever of the two. I've used the two before, but I tend to prefer Namecheap. So this is it. What you do now is, before you get here, you must have had a name that you want to call your domain. I always prefer that you name your domain according to the niche that you've discovered for yourself, according to your talent, according to what you want to offer. Some people can name their domains according to their name, but for me, I prefer to name a domain depending on what you want to offer. Like this domain is going to be about talking to people about Christianity, talking to people how they can live their life. So the particular domain I want to register here is this: Christianity247.com. That is what I want to register, because it's going to be how to live your life 24 hours the Christian way. That's what this website is going to be all about. So the essence of what I'm saying is that once you're registering a site, make sure that the name is actually, related to what is going to be the content of your website. Now, Christianity247 is what? It's too expensive. So what I will do, I have to look for something that's a little less expensive, but still has that Christianity247. And yeah, see something here, Christianity247.org. I think that's okay for me. You can do that. There are other less expensive ones, Christianity247.xyz. I don't like that. I think I'll prefer this one. So what you do, just add to cart, view item, okay, checkout. So here you could decide to do more than 1 year if you want. You could do more than 1 year. So it depends on you. I just do it for 1 year. Who is God? This must be on because it's free. And premium DNS. This is a new thing. Delivers 100% DNS uptime, and this is ultra fast. Response is worldwide. This is recommended for business and important domains. So it's good to just enable it. You can enable it. €4.50. Oh, I'm not interested in it. I thought it was free. Okay. So that is all. My bill is $12.29, and this is what I'll be paying every year to make sure that my domain is online. This is what I'll be paying every year. Okay, I think that's all. Then if you have a promo, right now I'm not aware of any promo. I think their promo just ended also. You can confirm the order. Okay, I have to log in to the account. Okay. $13.16. Because I'm going to be paying in dollars, that's why. This is the euro. So this euro is equivalent of this. I have to change this, so I'll quickly do that. Change dates that expired, and then we'll continue. So once you ensure that everything is okay, all you have to do is to check everything is okay. I can't pay. Free WizCard is there. And then all you have to do is to click pay now. Ensure that your card details are okay. Your address is okay. So all you have to do is to click pay now. I don't want to click that yet. I don't want to buy that yet. But once you click pay now, it just takes you to your receipt, and they give you your receipt, and then they collect your money. So you need to have a MasterCard or a Visa card to be able to do this. Once you finish paying, all you have to do is to go back to your account, go to your dashboard, and here you find all your receipts here. All your websites are registered here. All your websites, you can get it here when you want. So that's all there is to this video. It's quite easy for you to open your domain. So you can now go ahead and open your domain. Another one I wanted to show you is some people like using their web host to also buy a domain. For example, I use SiteGround, which I'm going to do a video on how to register for SiteGround. But if you want to register for SiteGround, you can decide to buy a domain with them, or you could decide to say I already have a domain. So that is it. You could register with a website hosting company that will also give you your domain name, or you could just go and get your domain name from either Namecheap or GoDaddy. That is all you need to know for now on how you can register a domain name, which is the very first thing you need to do before you think of registering a website. Thank you for listening.